Hello guys, welcome to eTurner Box. In this video we are going to learn nested if function. As you know, in the if function we have one logical argument which can be true or false. But in the nested if function you can use if function within if function. How? We will learn in this video. Before I start further, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the all featured videos notification. We have this database in which we have employee ID, gender, employee name, sales target, and sales. So in our first example, we'll see if our sales value greater than 15,000, then we will must get the message here more than 150% target completed. But in case sales greater than 10,000 but less than 15,000, then we have get the message here more than 100% target completed. How can we do this? We will use here nested if function. So before I start further, I will delete the old formula equal if bracket. So first logical test is sales greater than 15,000. In case this logical argument is true, then I will get the message here more than 150% target completed. In case this logical argument false, then here I will use another if function because I want to get the message if sales greater than 10,000 but less than 15,000, then I will get the message more than 100% target completed. So here I will use again if bracket sales greater than 10,000. Value if true, then I will use the message here more than 100% target completed. Inverted comma close comma. In case this condition false, then show nothing. So I will use blank inverted commas, bracket close for this function and bracket close for the first if function and press enter. And you can see I got nothing. Why? Because my both logical argument false because the sales here is 7,000 which is less than 10,000 and less than 15,000. So that is why I got nothing here. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells. And you can see I got the message here more than 150% completed. If you see the sales, that is 16,000 which is more than 15,000. So in this case our first logical argument of the first if function has true. That is why I got the message here. Similarly, here you can see more than 100% target completed. If you see the sales here, the sales amount is 14. Here the sales amount is 14,406, which is greater than 10,000 but less than 15,000. That is why I got the message here more than 100% target completed, in which the first logical test of the if function has false, but the second if function logical argument is true. So that is why I got the message here. In our second example, I wanted if the sales greater than 15,000, then I will get the message here more than 150%. In case the sales greater than 10,000, then I must get the message here more than 100%. But in case sales greater than 5,000, then I will get the message here more than 50%. But in case sales less than 5,000, then I must get the message here less than 50%. How can we do this? We will use here nested if function, but in this scenario we will use three if function together. So firstly I will remove these formulas, and here I will use equal if bracket sales greater than 15,000 comma inverted commas, then I must get the message more than 150%. In case this argument false, then I will use another if function if sales greater than 10,000, then I will get the message here more than 100%. In case this argument false, then I will use another if function, and here the sales greater than 5,000, comma, then I must get the message here more than 50%, inverted comma close. In case this argument false, then I must get the message here less than 50%, inverted commas close, bracket close, then second bracket, and then the last bracket, and press enter. And you can see I got the message here more than 50%. Why? If you see the sales which is greater than 5,000 but less than 10,000 and less than 15,000, so that is why the first two argument false and the third argument is true, then I got the message here more than 50%. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and you can see I got the message here less than 50%. Why? If you see the sales of these employee, these are the less than 5,000, that is why the first three argument false, I got the message less than 50%. And here you can see I got the message more than 150%. If you see the sales, that is more than 15,000, so first argument is true, that is why I got the message here more than 150%. So in this way you can use nested if function as per your requirement, and you can use multiple time if function within if function. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you very much.